The Harry Potter series features many fantastical and exciting locations, including the different businesses within the wizarding world. These different businesses show the parallels between the real world and the wizarding world and ensure that the universe feels fleshed out and expansive. From the shops of Hogsmeade to Gringotts, Harry Potter's wizarding world features many thriving businesses. Although there are a lot of businesses in the wizarding world, but we are gonna count the 5 businesses which are the best in wizarding world. So without wasting any moment, let's begin the video. Number 5. The Three Broomsticks. The Three Broomsticks is a popular drinking place in Hogsmeade Village and is run by Madame Rosmeta. The pub is also the location of a few important moments in the series, such as in the third movie Harry enters the pub under his invisibility cloak and discovers that Sirius Black is his godfather and wrongly learns that he betrayed his parents. Also, one of the worst things Draco Malfoy ever did was slipping a cursed necklace to Katie Bell in the Three Broomsticks. This pub is a traditional and cozy establishment that is the sitting for many strong and memorable moments of the series. Number 4. Aesop's Owl Emporium. This Aesop's Owl Emporium is one of the shops in Diagon Alley, and as the name suggests, it sells owls, which are popular pets in the wizarding world. Although fans don't get to see inside of this business, it is where Hagrid purchased Hedwig from. Hedwig is often by Harry's side throughout the series, remaining a source of comfort to him when he has to spend summers with the Dursleys. Hedwig shows her loyalty when she attempts to protect Harry during the Battle of the Seven Potters. Her death seemingly symbolizes the end of Harry's childhood. Although fans don't get to see much of the business itself, without it, Harry may never have met his loyal and trusted companion. Number 3. Gringotts. The Wizarding Bank Gringotts is one of the most significant locations in Harry Potter, and there are many treasures hidden within its walls. Harry visits the iconic bank for the first time he enters the wizarding world. The Gringotts Goblins have guarded many precious artifacts here, such as the Philosopher's Stone and Hufflepuff's Cup. In the final movie, the Golden Trio breaks into the Gringotts in order to retrieve the cup, which is pivotal to the later defeat of Voldemort. Gringotts' crooked exterior and its interior of marble falls and makes it a truly iconic place in the Harry Potter universe. Although if we see in the books, there are a lot of things going on in the Gringotts, which makes it more interesting and dangerous place, but in the movie, we just saw it as a wizarding bank. Number 2. Weasley's Wizards Wheezes. It sounds like a tongue twister, but in the 6th movie, the Weasley's twins set up their own shop in Diagon Alley. Weasley's Wizard Wheezes is full of joke products, and the atmosphere of the business perfectly encapsulates the twins' mischievous personalities. Ron first catches Lavender's eye in the shop too, setting up their awkward and hilarious romance. Although the store doesn't serve any major role like some other businesses in the wizarding world, it's bright and vibrant, and the huge Weasley model outside makes it instantly recognizable. Weasley's Wizard Wheezes provides a fun and vibrant atmosphere for its customer, which makes it the perfect magical business. Number 1. Ollivanders. Another vital shop in Diagon Alley is Ollivanders, where most Hogwarts students get their wands. One of the most memorable scenes in the entire series is when Harry first gets his wand in Ollivanders. It's actually during this scene that fans first discover that the wand chooses the wizard, and that Harry and Voldemort's wand have a connection. Mr. Ollivander returns in the final 2 movies and gives Harry an important lesson on wand lore. As wands are such a huge part of the series, this is a business the wizarding world could not be without, and there is no wonder why it's on number 1 on the list. So thanks a lot for watching Potterlad. So this was the video about the 5 top businesses in the wizarding world. I hope you like this video. I know there are a lot of business in the Harry Potter wizarding world going on, but these are the 5 businesses that I think are the most famous and most lovable and most profitable business in series. And if you agree with me, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you are new here, because I keep bringing Harry Potter stuff every day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before ending the video, if you are not following me on Instagram, then please follow me on Instagram, link is in the description. Now I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, goodbye, and stay away from the muggles.